Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you PlanBuddy review. So what actually is PlanBuddy? Guys, PlanBuddy is a complete digital planner builder that designed specifically for kids. It includes done for you Canva templates, daily planners, habit trackers, source search, digital stickers and more. Perfect for educators, parents, digital entrepreneurs, and content creators who want to create and sell kids planners. This is a bundle of digital templates and design assets, not an app, software, or plugin. Guys, I'm going to show you step by step all the information about this PlanBuddy product. I'm going to show you all the modules, what you'll get exactly inside the members area. I'm going to show you everything. Also, I'm going to show you pricing and OTOs that no one can share with you. Okay guys, PlanBuddy, creator of this product, PlanBuddy, Maulana Malik, he is one of the best graphic designer. He has been launched lots of product like this, and this product goes live on 29th of June, 10 a.m. EST. Okay, and you can see lots of information they actually share on the sales page. Right now I'm in the sales page. The ultimate kids digital planner builder, fully editable in Canva, done for you planner templates, PLR license included, so you have no problem. They will provide private label rights. Okay guys, if you want to sell a kids related product online or offline, then you can try it out. This is absolutely awesome product. I'm going to show you also very quick demo, then you will be fully understand what actually is inside the members area of this product of PlanBuddy. Okay, so here is all the info, and just 3 simple steps works this product. Start your own digital product business in the booming kids planner market. Step number 1, access. Step number 2, rebrand. Step number 3, profit. Okay, and here is a module, all the module that I'm going to show you. Module number 1, what you'll get exactly inside the members area: 50 kids daily planners, 50 beautifully designed daily planner pages to help kids organize their day with fun layouts. You know guys, this kind of product is very much popular on internet, very much popular also the marketplace like Etsy, Gumroad, 𝐁𝐤𝐫𝐻. You can also launch your own e-commerce store, or you can also sell it on with Fiverr. Okay, so no problem. Module number 2, what you'll get: 40 kids goal setting and habit trackers. This is important for kids guys. Lots of parents, they actually search this kind of product. Okay, and 40 templates to encourage kids to set goals and track habits in a fun and visual way. Module number 3, 50 kids weekly planners, 50 templates to help kids plan their entire week with easy to use designs. Module number 4, here is all the designs guys. You can edit it anytime. You can change the layouts, the fonts, the design, the color, the image, anything using free Canva. Module number 4 is 50 source search, 50 colorful search to help kids keep track of their responsibilities and tasks. Okay. Module number 5, 50 interactive daily mission challenge, 50 interactive creative daily missions that make planning and task completion exciting. And module number 6 is 100 sticker pack, includes fun, kid-friendly stickers to use digitally or in print, perfect as rewards or decorative elements. Okay, this is very high quality element. This is all the module. Right now I'm going to show you a very quick demo how to access, how to edit this PlanBuddy bundle, this graphics product. Okay, so let's see.
Welcome to the PlanBuddy quick video demo. In this short video, you'll learn how to edit text, replace an image, and save a specific page using your PlanBuddy Canva template. Once you click the template link in your download, it will open directly in Canva. Each PlanBuddy template contains many beautifully designed pages. To edit text, simply click on any text box and start typing your own words. You can also change the font, size, or color using the toolbar at the top. To replace an image, just upload your own image and drag it over the existing one. Canva will automatically replace it while keeping the size and position. You can also use images from Canva's Elements tab. To save only one page, click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. Select your preferred file type, and under Select Pages, choose the page you want to save. This way, you don't need to download the entire template. Click Download, and your customized page is ready to go. That's it! You've just seen how easy it is to edit and export pages with PlanBuddy. Now it's your turn to start creating and selling amazing kids planners with PlanBuddy.
Okay guys, I hope you understand how to edit this PlanBuddy product. Okay. Unlock an extra bonus module you will love. Get 50 plus. This is the bonus, guys. I will also give you $2,375 value bonuses. Here is all of my bonus that I will provide you totally free of cost. Okay, here is all of my bonuses, guys. I'll give you lots of graphics, software, and PLR books also. Human body honors, food and taste quotients. This is the bonuses. NASA curiosities, space, everyday masteries, and human body honors. This is all the bonuses, guys. And do you have any questions? Your answer is available here, the bottom of the page. Who is PlanBuddy for? Digital entrepreneurs, educators, parents, marketers, therapists, coaches, tutors. Why PlanBuddy? Because this is the very customizable templates, full monetization rights, ready to use templates, and easily expand your product line. Save time and effort, stand out in the market, instant access. And don't miss out, guys. The pricing is right now only $12.49. $12.49 only pricing of this product right now. And also this product has OTOs. OTO number 1, $29. OTO number 2, $47. OTO number 3 is $23. This is all the OTOs. And what you'll get exactly inside the members area, here is the recap. Complete planner templates and assets done for you, sticker collection, fully customizable Canva templates, printable plus digital ready formats, easy editing for all levels, high quality designs for kids, step-by-step tutorials included, PLR license for huge profit opportunities. Okay guys, do you have any questions? Like, this product will provide 30 days money back guarantee, so you have no problem. You can try it out 1 month to make sure it's right for you. Here is the questions and answer. I hope you have questions like this. What is PlanBuddy? Here is the details and what is included in this package. The PlanBuddy package comes with fully editable Canva planner templates, its daily, weekly, and goal setting planners, sources and daily mission challenges, a 100-piece motivational sticker pack, full PLR license for rebranding and selling. What kind of license do you receive with PlanBuddy? You will receive a private label rights license. That means you can rebrand, resell, and keep 100% of the profits. Okay. And how can I edit the templates? Are you compatible with other software? All templates are fully editable in Canva, which is completely free and easy to use. No design skills required. Step-by-step tutorials are included to help you customize the planners quickly and easily. Are there any one-time offers or upsell? I already described the 3 upsells of this product is. Okay. And how do I access PlanBuddy? Once you complete your purchase, the official website link in my video description below, you will receive an email with your login details and instructions to access your download area right away. What's your refund policy? We offer 30 days. They will provide 30 days money back guarantee, guys. Okay. And how do I contact support or any issues or concerns? Here is the support email. Okay guys, I hope I have given you enough information about this PlanBuddy product. I hope you guys are subscribed my channel. Please guys subscribe my channel. Stay safe and thank you. See you soon on our next video.